the EKD CB300R light cover. They have two different versions. Basically, according to them, this the process after printing. It take quite a few hours for the labor. A total to produce one from printing process about like over 30 hours. And the back, I think they put some 3D film, 3M film, sorry, that will actually stick pretty well and will not leave mark to the motorcycle light cover. You can see this is the part that haven't been sanded. So the sanding process is much easier to go on the top for all the main ribs. It's a lot harder to deal with for all the recessed area. But from outside, it looks pretty neat. Here I asked them to give me two testing models to show the strengths. So this one is really tough. This one is way more flexible, but both of them should be pretty strong for what's intended to be. So you can see here, this one almost create no movement. This one you have a little bit bounce. So we're gonna start with these two test subjects. So this one is a newer version. This is the older version. You can see the profile. It's much thicker with the older version. So we're gonna test the lighting today. So this is the version 1, that's version 2. So right now you see there's no light cover in front. And this is the first version. Right now we're about 1.5 meter against the wall. And then this is a new version. Okay, so those are the difference at the 1.5 meter distance. So this is the current lighting. And let's turn on the overhead. So this is the version 1. You can see it has some minor effect. With this one turn with vertical. And this is horizontal. Horizontal almost have no effect. But vertical definitely looks better. Okay. So let's test the subject 2. So this one is the skinnier version, version 2. So with, without. With, without. Okay. So if this material, PETG, the kind of plastic, gonna be used outdoor, people also ask, can it really withstand the extreme heat or cold? So I had an interview with EKD. They explained to me this material can withstand as high as 80 degrees Celsius or minus 15 degrees Celsius. Pretty well fit.